If you're bored of your classic monotone nail color and want to try out something fun and quirky, watch the video till the end. And you may find the perfect nail art design for whatever mood you are in. You can realistically accomplish these nail art designs right at home in just a few steps. So, let's begin. Purple pink floral nail art. Don't these nails look pretty as hell? The pink and white combination is delightful and is basically like you have spring on your fingernails. It's a simple yet classy design and can be recreated in just a few steps. What you will need: a white nail polish, pink nail polish, purple nail polish, a thin nail art brush or a nail art pen. Step 1. Start by applying 2 coats of white nail polish for your base. Step 2. Using a thin brush, create the flowers with the pink nail polish. Step 3. Use the purple nail polish to add some oomph to the pink flowers. Step 4. Finish with a top coat. That's it, you're good to go. You can choose to recreate this look differently as well, by creating flowers on the whole nail instead of just one side. You can also use other bright colors over your white base. Wasn't that simple? Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button and share it with your friends. And do subscribe and press the notification bell to get future update.